Once again, its strategy has brought it success. Or perhaps not. The anoles comes to just in time to engage its excellent reflexes and fight back. It's an expert hunting among the trees. But animals are not the object of its hunt. Instead, its diet is based on eggs, until the very last moment. It's better to lose an egg than your life. Within a week, the turtle dove will have built another nest and will lay 1 or 2 more eggs. And maybe they will have more luck. For now, it's the bird snake that enjoys its reward. Disengaging its jaw